friends, Running Kimono here. It is Sunday the 19th, and oh my gosh, we got some amazing deals over at Walgreens, including $3.44 for some fancy Olay skincare. Do I have your attention? I hope I do. And we have some new coupons that reappeared, including a 4 off 2 for Neutrogena, making those whites dirt cheap. If you guys could do me a huge kindness before we dive into the deals, if you can please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful. And if you have the hype button, consider pressing it. Really helps the channel out. Okay, so the first deal we're going to hop right into is curbside, meaning you're ordering this stuff through the app, paying for it, driving to the store and picking it up, and that is lovingly known as a curbside pickup. Now, you're going to need the following 2 boosters loaded to do this deal. A 10 back when you spend 45. That one is both in-store and online, and you can use it up to 7 times. That's some new verbiage on that one. I think they're really trying to drum up business if you have been paying attention, class. And yeah, they really need more of us couponers doing more transactions over there. And then this one, which is online only, that's why we're doing it curbside. It is a 10 back when you spend 40 on Olay face cream. And if you look, rebate clipped, multi-use, valid, online only. That's why we're doing it curbside. So for this basket, we're going to toss in 2 of the Olay Regenerous Night Recovery Creams for $29.99. And we have a 20 off a 2 digital coupon. Make sure you have that loaded because it's really critical that you have that big giant coupon loaded for this deal to save even more money. And you see how it says earn 10 when you spend 40. If you don't like what I picked, go for something else, but you have to make sure that earn 10 on 40 is actually showing or appearing, or however you want to phrase it. And then we're going to use a little discount code BEAUTY20 to save an additional $8. And that really big 20 off a 2 off of the Olay Premium Moisturizers is melting off right there. So we're not going to complain too much. Overall total here is $59.98. We have $8 melting off. So for the 45 to earn back 10, you're there, and you're also there for the beauty one. We have $20 melting off as well. So it is $34.10. You will pay that with your debit or credit card. Do not use any Walgreens cash as you're using 2 boosters. You're getting back $20.59 in Walgreens cash for the 2 boosters after you pick up your order. You should appear about an hour after you do your pickup. And then over on Fetch, there's this rebate of $4.50 when you spend 50. I believe you will get very close to that. If not, you might just get it. So make sure that when you go pick up your order to ask the cashier to process it through a regular register, because you need a receipt for the Fetch Rewards rebate. Make sure you have this. So after that, it makes it like $3.44 per. And lately, I've been getting the full amount, even if I pay $34 on Fetch. So, yep, it's really fantastic. And I would do this deal. It's probably going to get cleared quickly because other couponers are going to share this deal, and it's just going to go quick because it's really nice Olay skincare at such a cheap price. Hey, if you guys remember 2 weeks ago, this wonderful deal showed up, and I think Neutrogena got a lot of business, so they're like, let's do it again. So there was a 4 off a 2 digital coupon, and I think most of us used it. It's back again. And the promotion this week is that when you buy 2 of these, you're getting back a $7 register reward, and that 4 off a 2 is back. They have displays in the store for these as well. You just scan it and make sure it's ringing up for $5.99, and you know you're picking up the right one in case the actual shelves are completely empty. And this friend showed up again, so load it right away. This is an awesome deal. Grabbing 2 bags of these wipes at $5.99, that's $11.98. Subtracting our coupon, you're paying $7.98, getting back a $7 register reward, making it 98 cents for the 2 or 49 cents per unit. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. But if you might have register rewards, say from Colgate, Crest, whatever you were doing last week, throw it in so you're not feeling this one completely out of pocket. Another hot deal that we have this week is with the Garnier shampoo. The whole blends is a little bit more, so this is the cheaper one to grab. They're $3.99 a pop. When you buy 2, you get back a $2 register reward. And yes, this morning we got a 4 off a 2 digital coupon for this product. Make sure you load it just to give you eyes on the digital coupon. What does it look like? Here it is. So make sure you load this friend. Remember, all manufacturer digitals are of a one-time use. Grabbing 2 of these at $3.99, it's $7.98. Subtracting our coupon, you're paying $3.98. Getting back a $2 register reward, making it $1.98 for 2 or 99 cents per shampoo. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but not a bad little deal for 99-cent shampoo if you like the conditioners or the shampoo. I love both. I think this is a great line, so happy about this deal being back. Now this deal, the $5, I was talking about this in yesterday's video and I was right. It's in fact a mousse. Unfortunately, they don't have any of these in stock at my store, but it's this $5 mousse that's typically $5.99, and we have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon that is attaching because this is in fact hair care. So make sure you have this friend loaded. So grabbing 2 of the cheapest stylers, the mousses for $10, subtracting that coupon, you're going to pay $7. Get back a $4, making it 3 for 2 or $1.50 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Herbal Essence is in fact part of the P&G line. Photograph this to fetch. It might be part of that bigger progressive of spend 50 to earn back 450. So I think you might be getting something back with that. So I would definitely photograph your receipt to fetch. For this one, you have nothing to lose. And if you have not signed up for Fetch, sign up today when you submit your first qualifying receipt. It could be fast food you bought yesterday or a week ago. You're given back an additional $2 bonus. My referral code is in the notes if you want to check it out, but it's a really great app. Deal I absolutely love this week is on the $5 Colgate paste, brushes, and mouth rinses. They are so nice, and when they are this price, this is the deal. You have a 4 off of 2 for the mouth rinse and the brush, and a 4 off of 2 for the paste. Do these transactions separately, because if you do all 4 in one transaction, you're only going to get back 1 register reward. So the pastes and the brushes, separate transactions. Hopefully that's crystal clear. But this is the promotion. Grabbing 2 of the pastes for $10, subtracting that coupon, you're going to pay $6. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per toothpaste. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Transaction 1, buy your paste. Transaction 2, buy your mouth rinses, or a combination of the mouth rinses and the toothbrushes. You pick. I would grab 1 for the brushes and then 1 for the paste. Stock up. The Degree men's, these ones, the cheaper, they're called stick deodorants. I always call them brick deodorants. I don't know why. It's part of this promotion of buy one, get one 50% off. And for this specifically, we have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon. Make sure you clip it. So grabbing 2 of these, and they are a bit cheaper. I think they're $5.79 for the first. On a buy one, get one 50% off, that's $8.68. Subtracting our coupon, you're paying $4.68. Getting back a $2 register reward, making it $2.68 for the 2 or $1.34 per deodorant. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. If you're anything like me with the summer months rolling around close, I kind of need one for my purse and my car, so I'm definitely going to be doing this deal because I love having deodorant, even the men's. Some of these aren't too perfumey or it smells like a dude, so I'm definitely doing this deal for like $1.34. Yes, please, and thank you so much. Detergent is $4.99. This one with the orange cap is actually on clearance in many locations. Always a year mileage may vary, but I think it's $4.79. Hey, it's an extra 20 cents off, and we love saving money. Now, over on IBOTTA, you're going to be going to the category, or it's called Only Stores or Only Grocery Stores. There's a $2 rebate, and it's attaching for this smaller one, and this is the one, it's called Any Grocery Store. Pardon me, it's at the bottom. Walgreens isn't, but any grocery store is, and you could submit it that way for this rebate. So just to show you also, we have a $1 digital coupon, so make sure you have this friend loaded. If you can find one of these clearance ones at $4.79, I mean, that's the cheapest way. $4.99, I mean, it's a 20-cent difference. But $4.79, subtracting your coupon, it's $3.79. Submit it to IBOTTA under the category Any Store. It takes a couple hours for it to process, but yes, you will get it. And it makes it $1.79 for a detergent that's like $8. So this is a really good deal any way you slice the pie. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. But if you are really super sensitive, have psoriasis, this is the gold standard detergent and a great deal. The Scott's 1000. This is so expensive at Home Depot and Lowe's. I have been looking and almost fainting in the aisles. It's like 14 or 15 bucks for this. But Walgreens is definitely the place to pick this up this week if this is your favorite toilet paper. These 12 packs are $10.99. At the other two stores, I think it's like $14.99. We have this 2 off 2. Unfortunately, there is no store coupon to go with this, just the manufacturer, which is a 2 off a 2. So grabbing 2 of these, it's $21.98. Subtracting our coupon, you're paying $19.98, getting back a $3 register reward, making it $16.98 for the 2 or $8.49 per unit. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Frankly, that's how I would do it because $16.98 is a little bit out of pocket and a little bit scary, but not a bad deal if you need the Scott's 1000, which is a single ply toilet paper. Okay, friends, now the final deal we're looking at is the $7 Head and Shoulders. You're going to grab 2 of them for $14. We currently have a 4 off a 2 digital coupon, which is a really great one, so make sure you have this friend loaded for this deal. Now, if you go over to your Fetch Rewards account, search Head and Shoulders, and this is appearing. It's 400 points back, and Walgreens is one of the stores, so you're going to get 40 cents back. And I know it's not a huge amount, but I guess it's better than nothing, right? The Head and Shoulders products. And I think this is also qualifying for the larger one too of spend 50 to earn back 450. But this is only 400. So grabbing 2 of these, it's going to be 14. Subtracting our coupon, you're paying 10. Getting back a $4 register reward. Photograph your receipt, 400 points back from Fetch. It makes it $460 for the 2 or $280 per unit. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but not a bad little in-store deal. And then another deal that I absolutely would do if you are in store and you use the Walgreens small or medium trash bags is this. It's a buy one, get 2 free. So it makes it $1.66 per bag of 30 or 18, 30 for the smalls, 18 for the mediums. It's a great bag. Stock up, why not? And if you're a newer couponer trying to build your stockpile, 3 for $10 on the Gain laundry care products, detergents, pods, dryer sheets, fabric softener. It makes it $3.33 per unit. Stock up. That's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.